Alright, so got home from work today and I had a nice big package sitting here for me from fbody Metal Visions. Now, I know what's in it. I'm not going to tell you what's in it. I'm going to show you, but it's a pretty good size package. Enough chit chatting. Let's open this baby up then, because I've been waiting to buy one of these since probably June. I had to get out the money. Let's see. Best way to open this sucker. Tell you what, good thing that they do is they know how to make it hard to get into their packages. Ooh, there's more than one in here. Apparently I got more than I ordered. Let's see what kind of goodies fbody Metal Vision sent to me today. Alright. Oh, looks like I'm going to have to do some more opening. They definitely know how to ship things where they don't come apart easy. Alrighty. I think I got it this time, guys. Yeah, I did get more than one. Alrighty. Free complimentary paint sticks, apparently. Maybe that's including in the shipping cost. Alright, well, let's go with number one first here. We got a picture of it's a Trans Am laser cut with the words Trans Am on the bottom. Very nicely done. I like. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Alrighty, and then we got what I actually ordered. We got in the box here for you. Wow, the sucker's heavy. Oh, still got a little tape here. I don't think there's anything else in this box. I wouldn't assume there would be anything. Let's get that down and out of the way here. Alright. Now this is a I do believe this is laser cut, and this is the late 2nd gen Trans Am hood bird. This is their wall art. This runs around, I do believe, 140 plus shipping. Again, this is a as requested piece. He cut them up. I do believe I got this in from the time I reordered it to the time it showed up on my door, about a week and a half. That included making it and shipping it. They do come in bare steel, so you are going to have to paint it. I know that they ran a stainless steel set, limited run. I'm not sure if they're doing any more of those again, but you know what? Maybe if they get enough requests for it, maybe they might do another stainless steel one. I do believe they were quite pricey too. I think above 200. But this one I do believe I got for 140. I think that's the price that they're quoting on their site. But again, just like the last video, they are on Facebook at fbody Metal Visions. They also have a eBay account where they are selling off their stuff. They accept PayPal only, I do believe. There you go. I'm sure you can probably see it really nice in there. Catching the light there. But yeah, I am very, very happy with this. I've been waiting for this for a while. It's going to go right up there on the wall behind me. Of course, after I paint it, I think I'm going to probably paint it the color of the bird that will be on my Trans Am when it's done. But very nicely done. I mean, geez, it's got all the feathers in the right spot. But yes, very, very happy with my purchase. Till next time, this is Novataz Customs with merchandise from fbody Metal Visions. Go check them out on Facebook. You know, you're not going to be disappointed. All right. Till next time.